Welcome to our first lesson for Food Distribution Day. The most important thing to know is what to hand out. This can be a little bit confusing, but I hope that this lesson will help make it very clear for you. The first thing to know is that there are two types of cards. You can see them here. The red ones are the USDA cards, and the blue ones are the donated cards. They look like this. The next thing to know is that these cards tell you where to take your bags from. So the USDA cards or the red cards come from boxes that say USDA, and the donated cards or the blue cards come from boxes that say donated. The next thing to know is about the numbers on the cards. So you can see in this picture the number 3, 2, and 1. So if someone has these cards, you would give them 5 USDA bags and 1 donated bag. So the number indicates how many bags come from those boxes that we saw just a minute ago. So again, you would give 5 USDA bags and 1 donated bag. Now things get a little complicated, but don't worry, it's not too bad. So the number of cards, so in the last picture we saw 3 cards, tell us the number of families. And so they're usually items designated either as a family bag or as family items. So sometimes this would be meat or fruit or potatoes. The team leader should be able to tell you before which things are family bags. And so each card will get one of these things, or however many the leader tells you. So sometimes it'll be each family gets 2 bags of meat. So if you have 3 cards, they get 6 bags. It requires a little bit of math, but the cards indicate the number of family items that are given. So the test here would be this number. So if you have 3 cards, they would each get 3 chickens, 3 apples, and 3 potatoes, no matter what numbers are on their cards. So putting this all together, if you look at these 2 red cards, uh, how many bags would they get and how many family bags would they get? So I'm going to give you a second to think about it. And then in the next slide, I'll give you the answer. So for those cards, you would give them 5 USDA bags and 2 of each of the family items. So hopefully now it is clear to you what different things people should get depending on how many cards they have in their car and what numbers are on their cards. Thank you so much for all of your help, and I hope that this was a beneficial lesson. Thank you and God bless you.